Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Bring a wonderful day. So today I'm going to show you all my slimes. So let's get on to the video. Unsubscribe and turn on post notifications so you can be a part of the notification squad. So let's get on to the video. So this first slime is thick. It is called chewed up bubblegum. All you need is some how you make jelly cube slime, but you need the white sponges. I don't know, Mr. Clean sponges. That's how you make jelly cube slime. Cut it into jelly cubes and then leave them inside for a week or two so it can, and then smush it up. So that's how you make it. And this smells so good. It literally, when you open the container, you can smell grape. Very strong grape scent. So this next slime is, I do not have a name. Oh, this next slime is actually called Vanilla Bean. It is a thick based, white based slime, and it's super thick. So this next slime, I do not have a name for. It has black, silver, and white, and pink glitter, holographic pink glitter. So this does not have a name. It's a white base slime. So can you guys please name this slime for me? Oops. Okay, so this next slime is actually made with Tide. All the other slimes are actually made with borax. If you watch my old videos, I used to use borax, but then I deleted it. But yeah, but I was at my cousin's and they did not have borax, so we had to use this. Okay, so the next slime, I only have 7 slimes. So this next slime is actually called Pokemon Frappuccino. And this, I actually went to, and this smells like raspberries. If you ever tried a Pokemon Frappuccino, it actually tastes like raspberries, no, blackberries. So this does actually smell like blackberries / raspberries. So this next slime is Oreo McFlurry, like the Oreo McFlurry you get from McDonald's. And the black glitter's kind of tinted it, but that's okay because whenever I mix it, like, the Oreos is always on the top and then the ice cream on the bottom. I always mix them and it actually always turns like this color. So yeah, it's like mixed up Oreo McFlurry. It's not super clicky. So this last and but not least slime, sorry, it is grapefruit slime, which I love. It has some foam beads on top. Oh, and it has a great passion fruit charm. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and bye.